Solutions for parks and gardens. We know that managing and maintaining irrigation in parks and gardens is complex. This is why we have developed a centralized irrigation solution to save on time and consumption. Our devices, designed with the most efficient technology, are watertight and tamper-proof, easy to install, long-lasting, and require a low maintenance cost. They facilitate irrigation management as they inform you about consumption, pressure, and possible faults in the hydraulic network, and they allow you to create automatic routines and modify them according to the sensor readings. We offer various types of wireless communication to be able to manage it from the same place or remotely from a single management platform. Compatible with other smart cities applications. Progress, experience, and technology combine to improve irrigation management.